In this video, I want to talk about how you can set your risk to reward ratio inside of TradingView. So if you head to any chart right here and you want to put a risk reward ratio of, let's say 2 or 3, you want to select this tool right here, click anywhere. Oh, that's the wrong one. Sorry, this one. And once you've chosen this one, you just want to come here. You can select this one to change it. So click on this. And from in here, you can choose your risk and reward ratio. So you can see now my risk to reward is 2. And what you can do is you can drag this. And let's say you want to open a position. Let's say you want to open it right here. You can right click on this. And what you can do is you can create order and it will already put in your take profit and your stop loss. So that is how you can do this easily. And obviously if you change this, you have to create limit order and you'll see that it's gonna make a new one. So you can easily do this. And like I said, this is where you can see your risk to reward ratio. So you can put it, and let's say you want to buy right here. When it reaches here, you want to buy, right click and create order, and then simply press buy. So this is the easiest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.